Hey everybody, I'm back from break. I took a 3-day weekend and just completely did nothing but just play some video games, and I feel a lot better. So thank you all for being patient there. I didn't entirely forget about like beer money stuff. I did keep track of some of them like Bridge Money and Cash Walk and Atlas Earth. These were basically the main three that I paid attention to. And I guess, bare bones, like that would be the three that I would focus on the most. If I had a fourth place on this list, I would probably say One Pulse. And then fifth would be Microsoft Rewards. And then MTurk would be six. So that's why I kind of have it in this order. Like these first three are just the three that I would do no matter what condition that I'm currently in. The next three here are those where, yeah, I would do it when I'm in a good or neutral mood as well. And then the rest of these are basically just kind of window dressing for the most part. And you can see, based off of the amount of money that I have, with the exception of Benjamin. Benjamin is the one where, yes, I'm making a lot of money on it, but I'm making the money because I'm playing the games to make the money. I'm not really making too much in the sense of free money, like, watching videos to make money, basically. So that's the statement I want to make regarding the beer money portfolio. I do want to get to a couple things, and we will get to those. But first, I want to show that we currently have $272.72. There were two major cash outs today, and that was $4.99 for Bridge Money. Got 499 coins, including a 200 coin bonus that I managed to get for playing a game, downloading it. They're getting a lot better at those now. It only took me about 3 days to get those coins, which is kind of nice. However, I'm still wary of the Besitos games just because of how difficult it is to make anything, even if you spend money on the games. So it is what it is there. And I also got a 10 coin bonus as well just for downloading the game, which was also pretty nice. So at least Bridge Money is trying to give you some kind of recovery for your time. Cash Walk, I'm getting very close to another $5 cash out. And I have Atlas Earth here, which starting tomorrow, I plan to cash out $5. So again, every $5 that comes out in Atlas Earth, I'll be cashing it out. So the first one will be $5. Now, for those of you that are wanting to figure out how to cash out from Atlas Earth, they ask for your email when you cash out, and you can put down any amount from a minimum of $5. I will let you know that from observations, if you put anything more than $10, they end up trying, it's going to be pending, and it will be based up to them to approve it, but they insta approve anything that is $5 to $10. So I suggest that if you're making, $5 to $10 a week, as most of you, $5 to $10 a week, $5 a week, as most of you are, maybe the whales are making $10 a week. Be sure to, cash out once a week if you want to cash out. I will be doing that for this portfolio. So by the end of the month, we'll have our first $5 on Atlas Earth. And maybe it might wind up being one of the top three for next month. But definitely it is looking like Benjamin, Swagbucks, and One Pulse, unless I somehow manage to rally with MTurk at the very end. Or manage to rally with Bridge Money. So it's a close one here. But yeah, we'll talk about the top three and end of month stuff on Thursday. I'm going to start with a little piece of good news here, and that is, first off, I have cashed out and waiting on a $5 Zelle gift card, and that $5 Zelle card will be added onto the portfolio on Thursday. But as you can see here, I only spent about 4,500 coins on it, and that is because they have a discount, and a 10% discount at that, for the $3, $5, and $10 rewards. I believe it's a little bit less for the 25 and 50. I'm not mistaken. No, that's actually even deeper. Actually, it's like a 12% off reward for the $25 reward and close to about 15% for the $50 reward. Good on Coinout for doing that. That's the reason why I have lowered the conversion from 1,000 coins to $1 to 900 coins to $1. Now, I am not certain yet if this is going to be permanent or temporary. I'm hoping it's permanent, but I haven't seen any news on it. So I've been trying to look up and research to see if this is a permanent or temporary thing. Yeah, you can see on their website here that under announcements, there doesn't seem to be anything other than this page on the new Coinout, what you need to know. They haven't really updated it here too much. So I can't really tell you what the rewards look like, but I can tell you that I managed to get paid by Coinout. I will show that transaction here so that you can see that, yes, indeed, I did get paid by them back in December. So that's great on them. If they are actually lowering the threshold, that's very good news. It makes them way more desirable amongst the receipt apps for sure. And they're already pretty high up there, in my opinion. For those of you that have sort of fallen out of favor with Microsoft Rewards because of all the different nerfs that they had also back in December, they seem to have taken some of those nerfs back. They had gradually been doing this. They had brought back, like, for example, those 1 and 2 point bonus ones, which you can see here. They're now 10 points again. And they give you 3 to 4 a day, so it's almost back to normal. Another thing that they added on back was the read to earn option, and that is that if you, I'm going to go to home here, if you go and click on any of these articles except for the ads, you will get 3 points for each article that you read. There is a particular cooldown period, and there's a max of 30 points a day doing it. I definitely have not been working on this for a while. Let me just get the 5-pointer here. And yeah, I'm going to slowly build my way back up and build my streaks back up so that I can get a bit of a bonus off of it. But yeah, good on Microsoft. I'm glad seeing these nerfs going away. The only nerf that's been still there, and this one's probably going to stick around, is the 20-point edge bonus, which really sucks. Also, Swagbucks' daily trivia. For those that were having difficulties with this free rejoin, watching a quick video, it seems to be working fine now. I have actually gotten 4 of them in quick succession back last night. So just letting you all know that that's fine. I'm going to run and play a trivia game here. I'll go ahead and start, and let's see how I do. I'm going to embarrass myself here on YouTube. In what museum would you find a villa bedroom that was swallowed by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius? Metropolitan? All right. Yep. Second question. Which of the following dances evolved from a slow version of the mambo? What's... Oh, cha-cha-cha. Slow version. Eating ice cream too quickly can result in what phenomenon? Brain freeze. And if you want to see more of this, I'll do more of these. Like, I can do these, you know, when I'm... And if you want to see me do this more, let me know. I'll do Holland? Oh, Taiwan. Okay. Yeah, if you want to see me do more of this, as an acronym, SCUBA, I will do that. Which of these movies takes place during high school? American Pie. And yeah, we can do this like every time I do a video in place of the wheel spinning or others that I haven't been doing lately. Acrophobia. Sorry, these are very quick questions. And you can join me in them if you want. What is the name of the action figure Fisher-Price made to honor the New York Fire Department? Was it Hero Herald? Oh, Billy Blazes. Okay. Sorry, Billy Blaze sounded like a Commander Keen game. Charlie's Angels was inspired by a painting that previously belonged to which celebrity? Sure. All right, that was 6 of them. So yeah, 2 Swagbucks, not bad. So yeah, if you want to see me do more of these trivia games, like maybe one every time I do a video, I wouldn't mind doing them. I add some extra Swagbucks off of it. Sometimes I forget to do these. So yeah, whenever I make a video, I could do them. Let me know in the comment section, and I can add it on. I know I haven't done the daily wheels in a while either, so I should do the Atlas Earth daily wheels as well, now that we no longer have any parcel grabbing left to do in the simulated account. And I'm going to finish this day up by changing my mind, and I'm going to withdraw the $5 now. Now, according to my simulated account, I only have $4.96 on it, so this will technically count as tomorrow's cash out. But by Thursday, it's going to be a cash out nonetheless. The reason why I want to do this is because I know a lot of you have been talking about, does Atlas Earth still cash out? And well, I'm about to show you. So you're going to go up to, well, to cash out, let me close this first. You want to go up to this right here, the one with the dollar sign, and click where the dollar sign is. So I'm going to do that here. Now, I'm using my mouse on this one and visor, which again is directly connected to my phone. So you would use your touch screen on this one. So just follow my mouse on this one. So just like you would here, unlike doing the Atlas Bucks, you can click on Redeem Now. I'm going to click Redeem Now. I'm going to click Redeem Now again. And I'm going to type my amount to cash out. I'm going to do that on my phone here. So 5. That looks good. Can I put $1? No? For some reason I can't do no, I can't do the dot for some reason. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5. Now I'll let you know up to $10, I believe. It's $10. It's instant cash out supposedly. So I'm going to click on Next. I'm going to do Get Cash. They don't have crypto or stocks yet. Yes, I will. Yes, I am sure. And that is it. Now, the part that I didn't show you was my phone number, because they require you to get the text off your phone number to show, okay, this is, it's really you and they want to verify you. So I'm going to go ahead and redeem $5. And then I will see which way. Okay, PayPal I think is the best option here. I'm going to go ahead and do PayPal. Okay, I'm covering up my email again. Privacy reasons, sorry. I'm going to click transfer $5 now. All right, and that is it. So I will see now if I got my money yet or not. And then I will get back to you. And there I got my cash out, $5. We'll double check just to make sure. Looks like the payment is from Tremendous. I believe this is what Atlas Earth uses. And you see here, it is February 20th. Yeah, so that is the payout. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I got the cash out. And so that is the video. I hope y'all liked it. Let me know what you think. And yeah, now that you see Atlas Earth does cash out, let me know in the comment section what you think about that. And of course, any other questions that I had for today. Like, do you guys want to see the return of the wheel? Do you want to see me do a Swagbucks Daily Trivia? Let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you all next time. Bye, everyone.